So good morning, ma'am. So we are the presenter of this business plan, which is the emergency button. So our problem is all people are experiencing hard when it comes to emergencies or mga accidents. There is a lot of things that directly ma-help ang people na accident. So we decided that we need to do something para dili direct na mas sobraan ang ilahang need sila ng help good. So our solution is making an application which is the emergency button. So emergency button this is very accessible to those kanang Android, mga Apple, so anyone, any kind of kanang cell phone or digitals can download easily, and the thing that they can do is i-input nila information about sa ilahang kuan sarili o sa uban na, tapos i-include po nila ang mga information na pwede makatabang sa ilahang, including sa ilahang personal identity o kani ilang face kay para ma-avoid ang scam.
And our product is as vulnerable individuals in need of emergency support or more precisely at-risk individuals, or our emergency application is fast response times, customized alerts, and
for target market is the seniors, young adults, people with disabilities, and families.
Next is for economics. Our total revenue is 479,760, and for total expenses is 283,200 per month.
And for competitors, we have the RRMC, Sirensville, and Federal Mobile App, and Red Panic Button App. And for our team, we have the coordinator bodies.
So our ask is, how willing are you to partner with us in developing the emergency button app and support delivery and percent return for our founder? So our per month na amount cost kay 39,980. So if you are willing na mag-invest ang mga business is kinahanglan nimo maghatag sa mga 20,000. Tapos start up na 30,000 and then makakuha ka og 10%. So ibalik per month na kay every month kaya makakuha ka og kini 2,000 sa imong gatag invest na 20,000. Yes.
So for the summary, our app gives people a quick and simple way to solve problem with one app. We want you to remember that this tool can help our community and save lives. So if you believe in our mission, you can reach us through our contact details provided.
For the asking, can I be quiet for the asking? What's the breakdown of 20,000? I'm stop laughing. Kumawa ko.
So, ang breakdown sa panong kanina developer, costing maintenance.
So fixed cost and fixed variable cost total of 20,000 siya.
At wala na sila sa kanina magaling pa lang kuha sa
So total breakdown mo 20,000 yung 20 ba kayo?
kaning yang app development na development na ng app development na para sa app development ng kamayo sa registration na 5,000 o kanang early marketing, which is mo na nang pambali ang i-unlock yan mo kita 10,000 o 5,000.
So kasi breakdown mo sa 20,000? Ano ang magandang 20,000 ngayon kasi nagkayo mo kayo?
Para sa app development ay para balik.
App development?
Yes,
asa man na? Kanang?
Tapos tapos promotion.
Ano wala man yung gapin ang mga angkuhan? Tapos ang server cloud. Di ba you need that one to launch? Like ang develop lang sa application, right?
Yes, ma'am.
O like ang application, like itong server cloud where you store the data. O it's not included there. Wala naman yun?
Yes.
Okay, sige. For the 20,000, what would be the benefit or investor if you were to invest into the startup?
Mo siya makakuha siya o makakuha siya o 1,000 isang monthly, like 10% sa among monthly na
10% ka monthly na
yes, ma'am.
ang ibig natin sa iya.
Yes, ma'am.
Ang 20,000 for ilang ako eh?
For 1
For 1 year? 1 year lang, sure mga boys, 20 mega monthly ninyo?
Kaya mga monthly na makuha ng mga target na mga monthly. 39, so mga 3 years na, 39,980. Tapos muna siya unang panabana nga makuha ng every month. So mga 3 years, ma'am.
3 years pa yung contract sa inyo.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, sige. Hindi ko mo sa kuan format sa mobile line, di ba? Yung variable cost, fixed cost. So pila ang item ninyo? Pila ang price per item? I mean per price per subscription? 199. 199.
Anong makasilot na kausan ng limang ka-person na including namin yung mga mag-register.
So ang inyong one is 1,199.
Opo, ma'am. Tapos maka-invite na ka-upat na tao. Kaya kung sa isa naman, maging posible kayo na yung next WhatsApp ba. So, wala na naman every na register na yung mga person ang makasulod.
Okay. So may pila users ang inyong first month?
20, ma'am.
20 users ang inyong makuha for the first month.
Opo.
Opo, sila ang magbayad.
Opo, ma'am.
So within the 20, nasa may 5 users na maan.
Oo.
Ito? That's it, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.